This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, June 3rd, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a very large complex of showers and thunderstorms across the plain states, and an upper level feature and over the Great Lakes that'll be moving up into Canada. Watch warning map from before midnight. Some flood issues over northern New England, a severe thunderstorm watch over Oklahoma with a few warnings there, some wind issues over the west, and that's pretty much it across the country. QPF chart is a little bit more active. This is precipitation through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing some decent amounts of rain across the plains, the Pacific Northwest, across the south and New England, but around here it's going to be hit or miss, maybe up to a quarter of an inch if you see any rain. And if you see any severe weather, there's a slight risk of severe weather for today and tonight across the western about third of the state, mainly west of I-35. This extends southward into Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and northwestern Arkansas. Here's the tornado outlook for today and tonight. The better chances of tornadoes look to remain over eastern Kansas and the bordering Missouri counties from Kansas City down to just north of Joplin. The damaging wind outlook for today and tonight, and it's pretty much the standard 15% in slight risks, extending from western Iowa down into Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and northwestern Arkansas. The hail threat, a little bit smaller, but almost the same area, though there's an enhanced area of possibly large hail across Nebraska, Kansas, into north central Oklahoma. So let's take a look at it with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see there's that upper level feature over the Great Lakes moving into New England and southern Canada, a broad ridge over the west, and here's some showers and storms with the disturbance that'll be moving in. This will be a Sunday afternoon through Sunday night into early Monday morning event. Most of the severe weather will be west of I-35. Monday, there could still be some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder around, but it'll be very widely scattered. Not everybody is going to see rain, unfortunately, with this system, with highs remaining around 80. Tuesday, this is where the GFS gets a little bit, wants to keep a lot of rain around here, although the chances of rain from this point for the next couple of days are maybe 10% or less. Temperatures remain during this point here, even on to Wednesday, a few degrees either side of 80, mid to upper 70s to lower to middle 80s, depending on where you are. Could be a shower or storm, but it's looking doubtful. Thursday, there still maybe could be a popcorn shower or storm in the afternoon. But here it looks drier than the last few days, at least in this point here. And Friday, temperatures will be about the same. More 80s across the state by this point, with southwesterly winds on the west side of this high pressure system moving through Illinois and Indiana. And it'll be a little more breezy here Saturday to start off the next weekend, with southwesterly winds, temperatures likely well into the 80s, low mid 80s possible with the rain to our north. A week from today, on the 10th, you can see a trough axis with some energy across the mountains in the Intermountain West, ridge building up over the Ohio Valley of the Great Lakes down into the south and east, and we could see the Gulf wide open with some showers, storms possible just to our west, so the second half of next weekend could get rather interesting into the start of the following week. A couple days later, June 14th. Pretty much west-east flow across the country. Main storm track along the U.S.-Canadian border in the northern tier of the country, and there could be some popcorn showers from here southward, but with the summertime pattern, these will be widely scattered, and any place that could get rain is like 10% or less. And at the end of the forecast on the 19th, you can see a trough over the west, but a ridge building up into the center part of the country, and from there eastward. And with this pattern, even that, the Gulf was wide open. There could be some popcorn showers and storms again. In a summertime pattern, we can't even get a couple of summertime popcorn showers a few days in advance. We really can't go this far. So thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Monday.